Hi, everyone. Judge Andrew Napolitano here for Judging Freedom. Today is Thursday, September 8, 2022. This is sort of breaking news freedom. It's about 4:40 in the afternoon here on the East Coast of the United States. As you can see, I'm in a theater off Broadway in New York. As many of you may know, shortly after I left Fox, I did a one-man show off Broadway called Lessons from the Fields of Freedom, in which I told stories about the Constitution and about my life as a judge and my life at Fox. Well, we're going to redo that in the fall, and I'm here for a rehearsal, and we're about to start the rehearsal, when I got the sudden breaking news that the Justice Department has decided to appeal the decision of Judge Aileen Cannon, the federal judge in Florida, ordering the appointment of a special master to review the documents seized by the FBI from former President Trump's Florida home, Mar-a-Lago. I've been arguing in favor of this for a long time, as have lawyers and ex-judges from across the board. Republicans, Democrats, liberals, conservatives, libertarians, progressives. We all recognize that this decision is an outlier, and it really is the judiciary interfering with the ordinary procedures and processes, and in this case, core functions of the executive branch. Now, the document filed today is just a 1 or 2 page document that says we hereby appeal. It's not the legal argument on which the appeal is based, nor are they offering to surrender to the judges to whom the appeal will be filed any of the documents that Judge Cannon herself has not yet seen. The appeal is to the United States Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit, which sits in Atlanta. There are 14 judges on that court. 3 of them, chosen in random, will hear the appeal. The DOJ will probably ask for an emergent appeal, which means they will want the appeal heard within the next week to 10 days. We'll know exactly what their arguments are when they file their brief in support of the appeal. But we can tell what the arguments are already. The appointment of a special master is too little and too late. Trump's people asked for it too late. The government has already examined these documents. For the judge to appoint the special master and then order that the government not use the documents is basically stopping the investigation. And the courts don't have the authority to stop an investigation, a criminal investigation, midstream, particularly in this case where Judge Cannon herself has not seen the documents. Moreover, she has not yet ruled on whether or not President Trump has executive privilege. According to U.S. v. Nixon, the Supreme Court's unanimous decision on this, the former president only has executive privilege when the current president agrees. And as we all know, Joe Biden does not agree. And according to the DOJ, they have weeded out everything that is attorney-client privilege. You may say, well, I don't believe the DOJ. Well, a lot of people don't believe the DOJ, but that's not for the court to evaluate. She can't make a ruling on the basis of whether she believes accepts the credibility of what a lawyer is saying. She has to make a ruling on the basis of the law, and the law is there's no reason here to interrupt or interfere with the activities of the executive branch. Executive privilege keeps the president's communications private from the Congress and from the public. It doesn't keep them private from the rest of the executive branch. That's not me. That's the United States Supreme Court in U.S. v. Nixon, the 1978 case in which the court upheld the surrender of presidential documents and upheld the constitutionality of the Presidential Records Act, a federal statute that says the feds own the documents from a presidential administration, not the former president. So this is breaking news. It's good news for justice. Look, if you think that Donald Trump is being railroaded, don't feel badly about this. He's going to get another hearing. I don't think he's being railroaded. I initially did, but when I learned that some of the documents, at least one of them, contains nuclear secrets, which is the crown jewel of what the government keeps secret, what the heck was it doing at his country club? So this has to be handled in accordance with law, not in accordance with politics. Judge Cannon's decision is at base a political one. Judge Napolitano for for Judging Freedom.